6, 7, 8, and shut down.
Hello guys, it's your favorite Amara. So guys, we have a guest. We have the one and only Spanner in the building. Clap for him. So guys, this man can eat for Africa. I never see we eat past this man. But we have this brother, we have this guy. He said Spanner is small now. Spanner, who you be? But you can challenge Spanner. So guys, we have 10 fufu here. Yes. The first to finish, go home with a very tangible gift. So guys, at the count of 3, they'll start eating this fufu.
Wait.
Hey!
Wait.
It's going to be massive, guys.
No.
So at the count of 3, are you guys ready?
Yes, see.
1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Spanner.
The manager there. Sharp.
So guys, who that since they go first finish this fufu? Okay.
Spanner. This style on no really strong, sharp. The night on the yak myself. Spanner. Let's go. I tell you, say chill. Once you contact Spanner, it's shut down.
Okay.
Anywhere, it's shut down.
The family.
Spanner is going.
Spanner. Let's go, Spanner. Let's go. Spanner, they beg me in the chop. We know the chop.
No, they touch me, guy.
No, they touch her. No, you want to do and just. Spanner. Shut down. On 1. He's on 1. Shut down. 2 to go. Shut down. This one never reach 5 seconds. Never reach 5 seconds.
Let me tell you something.
Shut down.
Yes.
And
Are you tired?
1.
No.
Keep it.
2.
There's nothing God cannot do.
3.
Don't give up. You can make it.
4.
You can make it.
Follow me, count. Now 10 swallow.
You can
Hey.
make it.
We are on 4.
Spanner is going.
We are on 4.
He's going.
Roll
Low.
it.
He's going
Kill it.
low. Team
Shut
Spanner.
down.
Team Spanner.
Shut down.
Team Spanner, guys. Hey.
Shut down. We are on 4.
Don't give up.
5.
You can still make it.
6.
You can still make it.
7. 8. And shut down. This panito. Shut down. I can't say to your contact. Shut
I
up.
told you guys.
That
I never
also-
see you compete with this
the
guy.
Shut up. If you want better,
Guys,
shut
see,
up.
if you know you can compete with Spanner,
The Semono strong.
anywhere where you dey for Lagos,
Okay,
anywhere,
shut
I'll pay your transport to come down here. Come and
No.
compete with this guy. Okay,
Wait.
guys.
Shut down.
Where you hide down? You hide
Shut
some.
down.
Oga, no playing ground, no. You hide some.
Which one say?
Oga, you get what I want to tell you. In terms of business, there's no play.
You carry action with a phone.
If you come out from business, you focus on it. Yapu no. If you are ready to challenge me,
You carry action.
comment. You
So
understand?
guys,
Share.
if you know you can compete with this guy, send me a DM, okay?